Hi everybody, welcome back. I am Akanksha and this is Envy Desires Doodle, and this is a video which has been requested a lot, especially even by my niece. So let's get started with flower doodles. If you are here for the first time, go check out my channel. I am Akanksha and I share simple doodle lettering artwork and DIY videos. Before we go, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and do like it, share it. So today is Earth Day and I thought what better day than Earth Day to do these wonderful flower doodles. So let's get started with our video. So in this video today, I am going to show you 10 different types of very easy and simple flower doodles, how to do them step by step. So I'm using a Unibin fine line pen 0.5. I usually get asked this question a lot कि आप कौन से pens use करते हो, which is the pen you use for doodling. So you can even start with a simple basic ball pen. You can use a sketch pen, you can use any pens. There is no restrictions at all कि एक particular type ही use करना है. So for this first one मैंने बहुत ही simple basic flower बनाया है and I'm coloring it with my brush pens, and for a little detailing मैंने ऐसे कुछ lines add किए हैं towards the center. So this is how our first very cute doodle is looking. So ऐसे ही अभी मैं directly pen से, this fine line pen से सारे doodles बना रही हूँ. You all can do it step by step along with me. Now I also get asked this question a lot, which brush pens I use. So I use Doms, I use Ad Gel, and I use Camlin brush pens. These are very nice, very reasonable also. And these somewhat give like a watercolor effect. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, आप लोग भी try कर सकते हैं. It's children friendly also. And बहुत easy है to use. मैंने बहुत ही simple और easy way में step by step दिखाया है how to do these simple flower doodles. I hope you like this video and मुझे comments में बताइए which one is your favorite. If you do try these, do let me know and I would love to check out what y'all have created. And today I also wanted to tell you one very interesting fact about flowers when we are talking. तो amongst many messages जो COVID के आते रहते हैं or any other I received this one very interesting message जो मैं आपके साथ share करना चाहती हूँ. So I received this message stating that we all know that sunflowers, they turn according to the position of the sun, right? So in other words, they chase the light. Now this is something that you might already know, most of us maybe. But have you ever wondered what happens on a cloudy and rainy day when the sun is completely covered by clouds? This is an interesting question, isn't it? Perhaps आप लोग सोचेंगे कि okay, the sunflower withers away or it turns its head towards the ground. But this is not correct. What actually happens is they turn towards each other to share their energy. So I think ये message इतना perfect है in today's time that nature is so amazing. So in these tough times, let's apply this to our lives also. Many people have become low spirited, they have become vulnerable and sometimes even depressed. So following ये example of the beautiful sunflowers, let's support and empower each other. Nature has so much to teach us. So I'm just wishing everyone this sunflower trait of turning towards each other on their cloudy and gloomy days. Especially ये pandemic situation में, we really need to be with each other irrespective of so many things that are happening. At least if we have our loved ones together, that will be great. So I hope this message is also of some value to people who are watching. Stay safe, stay there, hang on, whatever be the situation. I am sure good days are coming. अभी थोड़ा difficult है, there is a pandemic situation, but I really hope and pray कि जल्दी सब ठीक हो जाएगा. So that's it. That's what my video is for today. This last flower I am making, and then I will take your leave. I really hope you like the video. I hope in these tough times also we can be there with each other to support each other and spread little smiles. I hope I'm spreading these little smiles through my video, and I hope you all are enjoying these videos. Tell me in the comments what else you want to see on my channel. I'll definitely try to inculcate all of those things. Thank you very much for watching, and मुझे comments में ज़रूर बताना which of these flower is your favorite amongst these. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, the share button, and do subscribe to my channel. Tell me what did you like the most in the comments below, and I will see you soon in the next video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe.